Hi there, this is Abhishek, and in this video I will talk about how you can create the PDF file from your sheet or from multiple worksheet or entire workbook or just some selected sheets. So basically it's quite easy in Tableau to create a PDF file and so that you can basically send it to your users in an email and they can view it. If let's say they don't have Tableau or even Tableau reader, they can at least see your visualization or your work that you have done and use it for their further analysis. So the idea is that let's try to print this sheet, which is sheet 24. Go to file and go to print to PDF. That's how easy it is. Once you click it, it gives you an option. So entire workbook will going to print all of these tabs and print the PDF and print all of these tabs into PDF. And another option is active sheet, which is currently active. So here in this case, sheet 24. Apart from that, if you have multiple sheets selected, then this option will be enabled, saying that you just want to select a couple of sheets but not the entire workbook or active sheet. After this, you have the option of paper size. There are a couple of different paper size that is present, so according to your needs you can select one, and then you can choose what kind of layout you want, whether the portrait or landscape. Then the options you have is view the PDF file after printing. So by default I keep it checked. After this, you have the show selection that you can enable in case, let's say, one of the value is highlighted and you want your end user to really look at it. You can keep this option enabled, so you'll see it in action in a couple of minutes. So let's go ahead and create it with the by default options that are selected and click OK and save it, and that's how your PDF viewer will show you the PDF file that you have just written. Now let's look at how the selected value will show. So for example, I want this particular value to be shown when somebody is opening up the PDF or somebody is viewing this particular sheet into a PDF. What I can do is I can go into file, go to print to PDF, click OK, and let's replace the file. Yes. And as you can see, only this particular value is highlighted. However, other values are shown, but user's focus will be on this one because that's what we want the user to see. So that's how very easily you can go ahead and print the PDF by using these different options. So based on the options that is best suitable as per your needs, go ahead and do that and share your reports with your users.